Hello, and another late one today. So, going to be speaking a little bit quietly as to not disturb my housemate. Today, I wanted to talk about what I'm calling the productivity crop rotation. So, farmers, when they are trying to keep the land nutrient rich will rotate the type of crop that they put on a piece of land every year. So maybe they'll have 3 different crops that they'll rotate across the 3 different harvests for a 3 year period. So they'll do crop 1 on the first year, crop 2 on the second year, crop 3 on the third year, and on the 4th year they'll go back to crop 1. I've sort of adopted this technique in order to keep myself productive. The thing that I have is, after a while, the shininess of a productivity system, whether it's taking notes on or to-do lists physically, or post-it notes, or Notion, or whatever, it sort of wears off, and all of the problems with that productivity system seem to really start to drag, and all of the benefits no longer have their shine. The thing that I found is that instead of trying to find the productivity system that's perfect, I've sort of accepted the imperfectness of all of these systems. And in doing so, I have found somewhat of a perfect system, which is to embrace the chaos of entropy and do a crop rotation of the productivity system that you use. So what I'll do is, right now, I organize my life via post-it notes and to-dos written on post-it notes in different contexts. But once that system starts to overwhelm me or starts to really be a drag, I have 2 or 3 other systems that I know work for me, and I will just quickly switch to them. And because I somewhat keep all of these systems active and running in the background, there's no switching cost, because I'm already familiar with these systems, and I get the benefits of having a shiny new system, but one that I'm already familiar with and one that's already validated. And that way I can have this productivity crop rotation. So I usually go with my one single notebook, which should be somewhere, but I can't show you because I don't know where it is. And then I have my post-it note system, and I have my Notion system. Those are the 3 primary ones that I rotate between. But in embracing the chaos of how systems sort of break down over time, because they're not perfect, I am able to continue to have the freshness of a brand new clean slate system, and also have the familiarity of systems that I know I can rely on. And this productivity crop rotation is something that I've found to be really helpful in my ability to sustainably have a system that works. In a way, I have multiple systems that work. So that's basically the crop rotation, productivity crop rotation. Also, I've been having really, really full days because, it's the last week before Christmas and everyone wants to see each other, and it's been so fun. I'm having so much fun. I just wanted to make sure I say that. All right. Bye.